Hi, my name is Anna White. I'm sharing brand new free plans for this 12 by 16 greenhouse. In this video, I'm going to show you how we built it. For a shopping list, cut list, and detailed instructions that go along with the diagrams, click the link in the description to download the free plans. Last fall, we had an opportunity to work on a greenhouse project with some friends. They had already built a deck and prepared a base for the greenhouse. So I came up with a plan and they pre-cut and pre-finished the pieces, and we worked together to assemble it over the winter. We decided to add plywood to the bottom of the walls to help square up the walls and give it some lateral structure. The way we're going to build this roof is build 2 trusses for the ends using pocket holes, and then we'll put the trusses up, the ridge pole in between, and then run the rafters off of this. Our friends have already pre-cut and pre-finished all of the pieces, so this was just a matter of assembly. After we got the roof on, we framed up walls for the front and the back. In the plans, I end up doing away with the overhangs on the greenhouse because they were quite a bit of extra work and extra finishing detail, and I just went flush with it so it's easier to install a gutter. Then we went back and added plywood to the front and the back. This is going to give the greenhouse structure at the base. We added metal flashing over the plywood so that the water would drain over the plywood. For the greenhouse panels, we're using this twin wall polycarbonate, and it's got an insulating factor, and it's also flat on both sides, so it's a little bit easier to install, and I think it looks a little bit better. We battled trying to get the H channel to fit over the greenhouse panels, and it just was such a struggle. So someone had the idea of using some bar soap, and it worked really well. To give the corners and the ridge a finished look, we used some metal trim. This plan is optimized for 4x8 sheets of the greenhouse panels. Since they're expensive, we wanted to make sure we were getting the most use out of them. We designed the opening for the door to fit a storm door or a standard screen door. The plans are linked in the description. We hope you enjoy them. We ask that you share photos if you build it so we can see how your greenhouse turned out. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video.